Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this beautiful Breville Oracle, and pretty much what we did is we replaced the three-way valve going to your group head, and we replaced all the O-rings on the boiler, and we replaced the top burrs on the grinder. So it should be running pretty well. So we're going to do a test shot. We're going to test the steam and hot water. So first we're going to use the grinder. We're using a test coffee for this. Now it's tamping, as you can see. Now we are going to do our test shot. We're going to do a single shot. And there's that for you. Now we're going to test steam. The water's going to come out first, and then you're going to get your steam. Then we're going to test hot water. And it's looking good. Thank you for the repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.